good the videotaping is. Oh man. This guy barely touched it. I didn't even know if I had a fish on. Turns out it's a whopper. Oh. Yeah, that's a good walleye, man. Real nice. What an amazing night. Oh, this might be a northern. Even. A run like that. Something tells me I have to walk this guy down the road. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's another big eye, man. Oh, 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 oh. That's awesome, man. Oh, I got a little crossfin here, man. Where's my guy? Let's see if I can work that. That's a nice fish, man. Real nice. Alright. Look at that. Just as the sun comes out. Isn't that brutal? Isn't that awesome? I got him side face here. Oh, I'm dangled crazy like. Let's get this off. That's a beautiful fish, man. Come on, bro, give it up. Alright. What a crazy way to hook him. Kid Kippewa does it every style, man. Mostly rockstar style. Okay. Look at that thing, man. That's beautiful. I get the sun on it. It's awesome. Ah, 23 inches, man. Easy, big fella. That's awesome. Sweet. Sun's out. Got a good video. Kippewa Lodge. Call Wayne and Barb. Can't beat it. Awesome. See you want to see a piece?